Hey, what's up guys? On this video, we will see how to fix Wi-Fi icon is grayed out on any iPhone. Now to fix this issue, first of all, just swipe down from the top right of the screen and open the control center. Then in the control center, just open the connection section. And from here, just tap on airplane mode and enable it. Now just wait for a few seconds, then tap on airplane mode and disable it. Now this must fix your issue. But if this did not fix your issue, then go to your home screen and open settings. From here, just tap on general, then tap on transfer or reset iPhone. From here, just tap on reset, and from this pop-up menu, just select reset network settings. Now just enter your lock screen passcode, then tap on reset network settings. This option will not delete any data on your iPhone. It will only reset all the network settings on your iPhone. Now, if the reset network settings did not work, then open settings and tap on general. And from here, just tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Then tap on reset. Now this time, just select reset all settings. Then enter your lock screen passcode and select reset all settings. And by doing that, you will reset all the settings on your iPhone. And this option will not delete any data. It will just reset all the settings of your iPhone. Now, after you have done that, then the next step is to force restart your iPhone. For that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then press and hold the side button until the screen of your iPhone goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once the Apple logo appears on the screen, just release the side button. Now, if this also did not fix your issue, then this could be a software glitch. For that, just open settings, then tap on general. From here, just tap on software update. Now just check if you have any software update available. Now to check if you have any software update or not, you must be connected to the internet. So make sure that your mobile data is enabled and it is working. Now after that, if you have any software update available, just update the software of your iPhone. And if this also did not fix your issue, then you might have a hardware problem with your iPhone. Just take your iPhone to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix Wi-Fi icon is grayed out on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.